ASST stock analysis and ASST stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. I'm looking at asset entities. It's overall 10 to 11% up. So where the heck are we heading next? Now, before I get into this is how my chart's looking like. Context, I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, called out thousands of great predictions, and all the proof has been documented on my YouTube channel. But this, you know, because we were in a range, I was like, all I care about is either the price starts breaking here or beneath the price. And all I saw is just, yeah, it just never broke above. So like, I'm obviously going to get rid of this. The hopes are still not over since this is still a demand zone. But the idea is that I'm only really going to buy if there's a double break exactly like this. And if I don't see this, then there's just no way that I'm taking it up. So obviously I'm going to continue to keep you updated. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter.